Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, your go-to channel for all things electric vehicles. Today, we're taking a closer look at BYD's ambitious plan to dominate the global automotive market by 2030. That's right, folks, China's leading electric car manufacturer is targeting an astonishing 50% of its sales outside China within the next decade. Now, BYD has been making waves in recent years with its rapid expansion into new markets, but this latest target represents a significant leap forward. Last year, foreign sales accounted for just around 10% of total sales, which was still impressive considering the challenges posed by tariffs and trade tensions. However, BYD's CEO is confident that the company can achieve this goal, and with good reason. The company has already made significant strides in localizing production, with multiple factories planned across Europe, Latin America, and Asia. The first European plant in Hungary is set to come online at the end of 2025, followed by a second factory in Turkey just a year later. And that's not all. BYD is reportedly considering a third European plant, as well as battery production facilities. But what really sets this plan apart is its focus on Europe and Latin America. The US market has been ruled out due to high import tariffs, which currently stand at 145% for Chinese electric vehicles. That makes it virtually impossible for BYD to sell its cars in the States. However, with major markets like Europe and Latin America up for grabs, BYD is well positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for electric vehicles. The target of 800,000 foreign sales this year may seem ambitious, but it's a fraction of what BYD achieved last year, when it sold just over 417,000 cars abroad. And let's not forget that growth rate, a staggering 90% increase compared to 2023. If BYD can maintain this pace, the company could easily hit its 2030 target. Now, we know what you're thinking. How will BYD achieve this level of success? The answer lies in localizing production and expanding its global footprint. And with a presence planned across multiple continents, it's clear that BYD is serious about becoming a major player on the world stage. So there you have it, BYD's ambitious plan to dominate the global automotive market by 2030. With its focus on Europe and Latin America, combined with a commitment to localizing production, this Chinese giant is poised for greatness. Stay tuned to ElectroDrive News for more updates on the electric vehicle revolution. We'll be keeping you informed every step of the way.